Hello everybody, it's me Sassy Stacy from Head to Heels, and I'm here today to open up a few packages I got. Let's see what they are. They're from Sofsy, so I've got a 6 suspender garter belt. I've got a pair of natural colored thigh highs without elastics. I've got a pair of black ones and a pair of burgundy ones, and they're 60 denier, made in Italy, and like I said, they don't have the silicone around the top, so they're not hopefully going to squeeze my legs and roll down the way regular thigh highs do. I had a hard time finding these, so I'm very excited to try them. But first, let's open them up and see how they feel on the hands, you know. Alright, so first thing I'm opening is this garter belt. I believe it was $45 from Sofsy on Amazon, and it took 2 days to get here. So I ordered this Thursday, it came yesterday. Very exciting. It doesn't have any boning in it, but it does feel really well made. There's good elasticity to it. I ordered an extra large. I normally take a large, but that's what the sizing chart on Amazon said. So it comes in this little package here. A little teeny tiny card, and it reads, "We believe a company should stand by its product. Should the product not fit to be your liking, you can simply return the goods at any time within 30 days of receipt." Well, isn't that lovely? And look at this cutest little envelope here. Oh, Sofsy. All right, well, then that's good. We'll keep that in mind in case it doesn't fit. It should fit. It's on, is it on the last one? No, there's one more row, so it should fit. All right, and then we got, what, these are silicone, and this is a metal, so that's cool. Most of the garter belts I've found in my area have just two flimsy plastic things, and they're just terrible, and they always come undone, especially with the combination of the silicone top to thigh highs rolling down like they need any help. Oh god. Anyway, a little dramatic there. So these say matte stockings plain, no silicone band, suspender belt required. And I got a size 4 large because that's how the sizing chart said I should have, or that's what the sizing chart said I should have. So these ones are the naturals. Oh yes, look at these. Ooh, they are nice and thick. I am not worried about ripping these, putting them on like I typically would be with any other stocking. Will it go around my big ass thigh? I guess we'll find out. But overall, it feels pretty good. They don't seem to have any picks that I can tell so far. Up here is nice and thick, but still soft. These are very soft. I'm really enjoying how they feel. They are matte, so there's no shimmer to them at all. So it should just look like I got real nice legs instead of my beat up bruised ones like I normally get. And again, this one, even where it's folded, like, they look like they held up pretty good in the packaging. I'm very excited to see the other ones, and I'm very excited to put them on. Because, like, I've got the worst luck with pantyhose. I always make them run. If it's not me, it's one of the dogs. Ooh, these are the burgundy ones, but they're more of a plum. I got them because they were like, they looked more of a purple to me. But again, they feel great. They're nice and thick. You got the nice non-elastic top here. Whoop, whoop. And non-reinforced toe, but they're 60 denier, so they're pretty thick. All right, and last but not least, the fashionista, we got the black stockings. Again, all of these are size large, except for the garter belt, again, extra large, according to their pricing. So, right, and these are the black ones. These are going to be very not see-through, very opaque. Yeah, you're not going to be able to see anything, so that's going to be nice in the winter for sure. Woohoo! Again, not worried about ripping them, putting them on. Alright, so there we have it. We've got a burgundy pair, sorry, we got a black pair, we got a nude pair, we got a garter belt. Let's get to trying it on, shall we? Oopsie. I don't know if you guys can see my dog's head, but he's right there staring at me like he wishes that he was dead, honestly. He looks like he's laying there going, when's it gonna be cool enough to go outside? It gets really hot and he's black. Ooh, he gets hot really fast. Do. Alright. I'm gonna take off my skirt while I get everything on. Oh, I forgot to take off my ankle bracelet. I'm gonna forget that's there. I'll be searching high and low for it later. Yeah, one of the two. Alright, so we're gonna start with the natural ones. Roll them on up and put them on my tootsies. Oh, they feel real nice. Real nice. Oh, there's room up here. Been waiting my whole life for this moment, I'm sure of it. I'm very pleased so far. I think husband's gonna like them. I think you're going to like them. All right, leg number 2. Again, really enjoying more than the plastic or like cheaper metal ones that I've had on, let's say like a Licenza garter per instance. All right. Well, that's good. They go up high enough that they're not showing underneath the skirt, which is great. So it kind of looks trashy when that happens. And I want to see what it looks like with my loops. My Louboutins. My Piguel Foley and Oil Slick 100 millimeter. Ooh, girl. What? Me? You shouldn't have. these are great. I will be definitely buying more of these pantyhose, and if you want to send me some, there's a link to my P.O. box down below down there. Lovely. Beautiful. I'll be back with my next pair in just a minute. They come off so easy. Try and get them on, you're fucked. Thank you, patrons, for your support, and thanks to those of you who came back this month to continue to support me. I hope you continue to like what you see. Photo set coming up soon, and again, weekly videos. If you're $15 or higher, you get to see this. But regardless, you get to see the YouTube videos before they hit YouTube. Thanks, everybody, for watching and supporting me again. I truly appreciate it. Bye. Sassy Stacy.